Welcome, Ginger and Gloria. Thanks for being on time.
Hello.
How's everything been going?
Good.
Welcome, Yvonne and Eli in a second. So there's some problems up that you should be able to see. If you want to start working on them, you can. Once we get most people here, we're gonna do a little breakout groups. I'm gonna put you into groups, and you guys are gonna discuss these problems, share your answers, share your reasoning, and then we'll come back together after a few minutes, and I'll be randomly calling on different people in different groups to share. So you'll have to be ready and know some things. But it's a good time now just to start thinking about it. Welcome, Ulrich. I think it's the first time we get to have you on Zoom. Saw you a few times on what's that, Teams. Anybody go Easter egg hunting today or yesterday?
Most of us are on lockdown, I think.
Yeah, you can still do it in your apartment or something, right?
I'm a Muslim, so no.
Yeah, true. I mean, I'm not religious whatsoever, but we still do Easter eggs for the kids because they enjoy, chasing eggs around and stuff. But I guess there's not. Do you guys have anything similar where you hide things and Mohammed?
It's usually like right after Ramadan we have this Eid we call it. It's like where like the adults give money to like the younger like children.
Okay.
So yeah, so most of the time they host like a small game, or like they hide like for example 500 yen or 600 yen somewhere, like in like a living room or something. So they all just chase around and search for it.
Okay, that sounds like fun too. I'd like to be part of that one sometime to see everybody run around and trying to get stuff, trying to get money.
At least every day that each time that happens, you expect at least tables broken or something. Because my family is very big. My family is very big. It's serious. It's not funny. It's serious.
Yeah,
Like literally, they storm in. It's like when like you have a pack of dogs that have been starved to death, that have been starved to near death situations, come in inside a room and see a bag full of meat. In 3 seconds, that's gone.
Well, hopefully it doesn't cause any family feuds or rivalries that last years and years and make people hate each other.
No, that usually doesn't happen. We just let them be, then they'll just leave.
Okay, good.
Just find everything together.
Yeah, it's good to be competitive, but not to a point where it ruins your family relationships. All right, we are going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and, it is recording already. Okay, so I was telling some people who are already here, today we're going to go over these 3 practice problems. What you're going to do is I'm going to break you into groups. You guys are going to discuss, get your answers, talk about it, make sure everybody understands. And then we will come back together and I will use a random number generator to randomly call on people to share their answer. So let me go ahead and do this breakout group. So suggestion is, let me give you a second, maybe take a screenshot of this. I'll try to send one on your chat as well, but it's probably good to have a screenshot of it just in case. So I'll give you 10 seconds, take a screenshot. Hopefully you know how to do that. And here comes Lena. All right. So breakout rooms, we're going to do, how many people? We got 10 people. So we're going to do 3 rooms automatically. Oh, not 13 rooms, 3 rooms. There we go. And that's how it's going to be. Hello, group 1.
Hello.
Are we just starting by working and then we'll talk later? Is that how this is going to work?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to send you the document just in case somebody didn't get it, but hopefully you have it already. All right, so work on it together, work on number 1 and then discuss, okay? Let's see. Alan, you get to share first,
Wait,
then
where's-
Jolie, then Ulrich. What?
Where's
Sorry?
number 1?
Where's number 1? I just sent you the image. If you open that, you should be able to see it again. The problem.
Did you send on email?
No, I just sent it in the chat. If you open the chat, you should see it.
Oh, okay.
Or some people took a screenshot. If somebody has a screenshot, they could just share their screenshot, share their screen with everybody else.
It's not in my chat.
Anybody else see it in their chat?
No.
Oh, interesting. Okay, I'll share my screen again. Make sure you take a screenshot this time. See it?
Yep.
Okay. Everybody get a screenshot, or at least one person, and then somebody else can share their screen once I leave. I got to go to some other rooms as well. You guys got it?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. I'm gonna go check on some of these other rooms.
Wait. How did I?
No, it's 48.6.
How? Oh, wait, is it because?
You guys are doing awesome. I can tell already. Thank you for.
Wait, Mr. Stevenson, we need more time.
Oh, never mind.
No,
Okay,
yeah,
never
yeah,
mind.
I'm just bouncing
Hello,
around,
I'm
checking in,
back.
saying hi, seeing how you're doing. You guys are talking and sharing. It's exactly what you should be doing. So keep up the good work.
Wait, what?
Yes,
What?
36.8. I forgot to change it to angles.
Wait, let me check.
Look,
48.6.
hey, can you see it?
Round it up.
IQ right there. Wait, what are we supposed to do for question 2? What is the value of sine 25? So we're supposed to just sine 25 or do some calculations.
Use the triangle.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay. Oh, value of sine 25.
You could use the calculator too, but the purpose is to actually use the triangle.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So sine is what? Remember what we made like a table last, I think it was Monday, and then on Thursday we looked at it. You see how up here there's like the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse, right? If you do sine of an
Yeah.
angle, which 2 sides do you end up using?
For sine, opposite, and hypotenuse, whatever that is.
Yep, right. So then you just have to
Wait,
figure out,
so we do the sine like 25 equals opposite over hypotenuse, right?
Right, and one of you can just you write down the numbers for which one's opposite and which one's hypotenuse.
Oh, that's all we do? Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. All right.
Okay.
Probably like a few more minutes, and then we'll come back together. So try to finish that last one. It's kind of hard.
Joey gets his kite stuck at the top.
How we doing, group?
We're on the second one.
Okay.
What did you guys get for the second one?
How quickly. We spend too much time. You gotta run out of time. No. No.
Hi, Nicole. Sorry, I thought I had let you in, but I guess I didn't let you in. We're doing breakout rooms right now, so I'm going to assign you to. Oh, you're in group 3, so you should see something pop up on your screen that says like join breakout group. People are working on these questions here. You might want to take a screenshot of it before you go. And then you should see something on your screen that says join breakout group or something. You can do that. I don't think you need to watch more movies, but it was pretty much bedtime, right?
New FIFA.
And they even have loot boxes in FIFA, but just packets. That's all.
You guys ready to go?
Yes.
All right.
Why is Nicole in our room as well?
Why is she in your room?
Oh, she is?
She is now. She just joined. So maybe just quickly go over your answers with her so she can compare.
Okay. We got
a room.
Oh,
really?
You guys done? You ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We'll leave the breakout room here.
how do I stop sharing this?
Just press share screen again and you're done.
Oh, here, stop share. Here. Okay.
There we go. Wait, do I press return to menu? To return to main session, I mean?
You can,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right,
Wait.
I'm out.
Okay.
Wait,
Bye-bye.
Arabia.
Damn, this room. It's still dark outside.
So red.
So ready. Yes, it is.
Well, the school is it's all sunny and everything. I can see the school right outside my window.
You see absolutely nothing here. Do you guys see anything?
I can see
It's
some.
really just-
Okay, I think we got everybody back. So here we go. We're gonna start with problem 1, and we'll go with the first piece on there. And I think we have 11 people. Let me double check that. We have 12 people, so we'll make this 12, and we'll generate. That's number 3, which is on my breakout room here. 1, 2, 3. Jolie. Jolie, can you tell us what you got for problem 1, the first part? This one.
I got BC for the distance.
Can you say it a little bit louder? I didn't quite hear you. Sorry.
The BC.
BC?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then we'll go to number 4, which is go away thing. Leave me alone. There we go. 4 is Ulrich. What'd you get for the next one, Ulrich?
You mean the opposite?
Yes.
AC.
Good. AC, right? Opposites across. Next one is number 11, which is for 8, 9, 10, 11. Nicole, I know you weren't here, but you could probably answer this. Hypotenuse? Can you talk, Nicole, or are you going to do chat? AB, yes, AB. Hypotenuse is always the one across from the 90-degree angle, right? So it's AB, or the one with an angle of 5, or a measure of 5. And last one, what is the value of theta, right? Knowing what the side lengths are, what is the value of theta? We're going to go with number 3 again. Sorry, Jolie, that's you again. What'd you get for that? Jolie, you there? Jolie? Jolie?
I forgot it. It's like 36 point something, but I forgot.
You remember how to do it? That's what's more important. Do you remember what the process for finding it is? Yes, no, maybe so. Somebody want to help her out? What's the process? What do we need to do? Nobody wants to help? Somebody help Jolie. How do we find theta? So we know that sine is opposite. Oh gosh, sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, right? So in this case, we don't know what theta is, but do we know what opposite is? Jolie? What's the opposite side again?
AC.
AC, which in this case has a measure of 3, right? So we know that this side is 3, and we know the hypotenuse is 5. We want to know what the angle is. Anybody remember how we find the angle? Somebody help us out. Let's ask number 9 to help us out. Number 9 is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Athena, do you remember how to do it? If you have the ratio, but you don't have the angle. Athena, you there? Is Athena still here, or did she leave? Athena's still here. Athena, where are you? Oh, there you are. Sorry, you're writing in the chat. Yes, nice job, Athena. You got it exactly. Yes, use the sine inverse function. you say sine inverse of 3/5, and that will give you the angle, right? So then you can just go to Desmos, and you make sure you tell Desmos that you're going to use degrees, and you say sine inverse of 3/5. And Desmos says, hey, that's 36 degrees, 36.8, 36.9 degrees, right? So 36.9 degrees. Nice job, Athena. Thanks for helping us out. Okay, number 2, we're looking for what is the value of sine of 25. Go back to our random number generator. Number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ginger. Sine of 25.
0.42 or 42.
Okay, that's definitely probably what you get if you put on a calculator. How could I also use this triangle to help me get it? If I didn't have a calculator, what could I write? What's another way of writing this?
Take the opposite hypotenuse.
Right, so in this case, what's the opposite of the 25-degree angle?
3.
And the hypotenuse is 7.1, right? So if you do 3 over 7.1, you should get that. Okay, down to the tough one. Joey has a kite stuck in the tree. He knows he has 30 feet of rope or string or whatever, and he knows that angle is 50, and he knows that he's 1.4 meters tall. How tall is the tree? 10 is Eli. Maybe you can help us get started, Eli. Can you give us one step in the right direction?
All right. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So you do the same thing, right? So you have sine 50 degrees, and then you have opposite over hypotenuse. But then what you're trying to find is opposite, right? So you have to use, so it's x over hypotenuse. That's the first step, which is 30 meters is the hypotenuse.
Okay.
Did you
awesome.
hear anything I just said?
Yes, I did. Did you?
Okay.
Yep. Did you guys? Am I still sharing my screen? I'm still sharing my screen, right?
I think so. I'm looking at myself right now.
Let me check. Jump there. I thought I was sharing screen, but oh, I'm not sharing the screen anymore. I was writing things. Okay, there we go. Okay. Do you see what I have written now?
Yes.
Okay. So thanks, Eli. We'll take it somebody else from there. Let's go with 3. Oh, Jolie again. All right, Jolie, we'll give you a break. 12, Yvonne. What's next, Yvonne?
Well, you solve the x.
How do we do that?
Well, you just switch place with x and sine 50. So it would be like 30 times sine 50 equals x.
Okay, so the mathematical operation there is we're multiplying this side by 30, so those cancel, right? If I do something to the right side, we got to do that same thing to the left side, right, to maintain balance. So then, yes, you're right. We have 30 times sine 50 equals x. Somebody get out their calculator, go into Desmos real quick. Tell me what is 30 sine 50, please. Number 6 is Gloria. What is 30 times sine 50? I cannot hear you, Gloria, if you are talking.
22.9.
22.9?
No. 23.
Let's see. Yeah, 23 is probably good rounding, depending on how accurate you want to be. 23. What are these? Are these degrees or meters or what are these?
Wait, no, these are degrees.
Not degrees, right? This was degrees. We're now in meters because we're talking about this x distance, right? Which should be in meters. Yeah. Is that the height of the tree?
No.
No. Alan, can you help us find out what's missing? How do we find the rest of the height of the tree? X is 23. What's the height of the tree?
23 meters plus 1.4 meters.
Nice job, Alan. You have to add on the guy's height, right? And so the height of the tree is going to be 24.4 meters. That's the height of that tree. Awesome. Nice job, you guys. Does anybody have any questions or concerns about this or anything that we've done since last Monday? Okay, just real quick because we're out of time, but I've put up everything for the next 3 weeks, including what the summit, all the stuff for the summative. So, you know, if you want to get ahead, you can. We're going to officially start working on the summative on the 20th. The rest of this week, we're going to learn about some other trig ratios and talk a little bit more about degree of accuracy. So please make sure you're asking questions. If you're getting questions wrong, you should reach out and like ask or like try it again. Ask like, I don't understand how to do this, and then get some help. Okay. Thank you, Eli, Mohammed, Gloria, and Ginger for having cameras on. It's nice to see you guys. And thank you everybody else for being here and you know, talking and participating. Have a wonderful day. See you next Monday or sooner if you have questions. Bye.
Bye.